Hello everyone, greetings and welcome back. Before we begin, I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you for helping us reach 2,000 subscribers. Your support means wow to me. Now let's explore. Sometimes the best journey don't begin with a plan, they begin with a simple walk. As I wandered along the beaches of Mombasa that evening, the sound of the waves replaced the noise of the city. The cool ocean breeze, the soft wet sands, and the swaying palm trees reminded me that some of life's greatest moments are quiet ones. The sun was fading, the boats rested on a calm waters, and the beach took on a peaceful atmosphere that made hard to live. As I continued giving you the best view, I come across one of Mombasa's unique beach experience, a camel ride along shoreline. It's a sight that many first-time visitors and add to the charm of this beautiful coast. In case if you have never been to Mombasa, this is just a small glimpse of what awaits you. If you enjoy exploring beautiful places like this, subscribe and join me as I discover more hidden gems across Kenya and beyond. And to all my subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In case if you are new here and you come across this beautiful video, give it a like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Take a moment and enjoy the view, the wet sands, the waves, and also the swaying palm trees. Okay guys, let's enjoy the rest of the video by watching together.